this week we're going to explore the Christian spirituality of the Eastern Orthodox tradition. And as we do so, it may feel really different to you. For those of us who happen to have been raised in kind of the traditional, what for many of us here in the United States is a traditional Western understanding of Christianity, the Eastern Church's emphasis on the way the incarnation of Jesus Christ redeemed and affirmed God's love for the material physicality of creation and affirmed the goodness of creation can feel different to us. Often in the kind of Christian traditions we find in the United States and in the Western part of the church, there can be what feels like a separation between the spirit, our spiritual dimensions, and the physical dimensions of who we are. But that idea actually is not biblical. It's certainly not a Jewish understanding, nor is it the way Jesus lived. And our Eastern Orthodox sisters and brothers express this delight in the fact that in Christ everything is redeemed. Not only our hearts, not only our thoughts and minds, but our bodies, the wholeness of who we are, the delight in the things God has made around us. They affirm that and express it and experience it through things like icons, through architecture, the architecture of the church, and through the sacraments. And so this week, as you explore those topics, even though they may feel a bit different for you, I hope that you will find in them avenues to broaden your own understanding of the just the wideness of what God's redemption in Christ means. That it isn't just a transformation of our thoughts, and it's not just a transformation of our attitudes and our hearts and our wills, but it's also, it is the transformation of all God's creation, the redemption of all God's creation back into full, open, right relationship with the Holy Trinity. So enjoy your readings this week, and I look forward to interacting with you as you do so, to hear what you think and what you discover and what you're thinking about all this. So enjoy.